Alright, let me show you something really quick in this video. As you can see, I'm right now in my Google Ads agency account or Ojasweb digital solution. Now let me show you something. I want to go ahead and click here and we go to custom, and I want to see from the 1st of this year to the present month. So click on January and we want to go straight to the what month are we? We are in September 22nd. So I want to apply this and we want to see what we have here. Now after applying that, which is from January 2020 to September 2020, you can see here we have over 106 million impressions, we have 819,000 clicks, and we have average CPC of 0.35, and the total cost we have spent on this particular account as $287,000 US. So whatever I'm showing you in this video is 100% real, and that is telling you that whatever you'll be learning from me is gonna help you get a very good result from your Google Ads account. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to open one of my Google Analytics account and show you what we are getting from Google Ads. So right now this is the Google Analytics account, and what you are seeing at the bottom here is the performance from Google Ads. That is what you're seeing here. How are your Google Ads campaign performing? And you see here, I decided to open the data from January 1st 2020 to September 21st 2020, and then you see the revenue and you see the clicks. Now the revenue from this particular first campaign, we have 33.4k US in revenue, and the total amount we spent on advert is $2,200. So from $2,200 we generated over $33,000 in ad revenue. And the second one, we spent $1,900 in advert and we generated $17,000 in advert. This is showing you that whatever I'm going to be showing you in any of my training is gonna help you get the best result from your Google Ads. And this is definitely some of the things you will not see from anyone else selling Google Ads courses. So now I want to go straight to my Gmail account and will show you one of the conversations I have with my client. So here is my Gmail account, and I decided to open this particular conversation. As you can see, the conversation is with Carton M. Now there's a particular thing we were trying to fix, and this is what is showing you here. I told him we are up and running, and you can see here, you are the man. Thank you. Hopefully we don't continue to have this issue with Google Ads. I decided to let him know that even if we have the issue with Google Ads, I will definitely get back to the campaign and everything will start working again, because this is what I do all the time. So when I help people to advertise on Google, or if I teach you how to use Google Ads, forget it. You won't have any problem with Google Ads and you will be able to run your advert perfectly. Now let me show you one more thing to know that whatever I'm giving you is directly from a very experienced Google Ads manager who has been doing this for a very long time. Now I decided to come to this particular website, and this is Google website. As you can see here, google.com/partners and agency. This is telling you that Ojasweb digital solution is an accredited, or let me say is a certified Google partner, and this is why I am able to give you accurate information about Google platform and many things that will help you to run successful adverts on Google. As from other people who are selling Google Ads courses, not so many of them will be able to tell you that they have any Google certification, and even if they have, maybe they just passed Google exam, but they have not been able to meet any requirement that will help them to guarantee or get sales from Google. So you see, this is me, this is Google partner, and this is Ojasweb digital solution. And before I decide to close this video, let me show you one more thing. I go straight to my Google business page and I want to show you some of the reviews I get from users. You can see here we have 4.9 star reviews and from 28 different individuals. And the first one you see, this is one of the people who purchased my course, and you see the review. And the second one is another person who purchased my course. You can see the review. You can definitely go to Google to read more about people's feedback about Ojasweb digital solution, and I believe this will definitely verify to you that whatever I'm giving you is gonna help your business. It's not just gonna help you to get your advert running, but it's gonna help you get the best result from Google Ads. So go ahead and click the link in somewhere in this video and go straight to the page and purchase the course, and you'll be able to do something very meaningful with your Google Ads. I hope to see you on the other side, where I'll be giving you more information and guide. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.